So anyone here, has anyone been here on a sort of a winter holiday? Any winter holiday that they've enjoyed? Anyone here? Maybe some kind of winter holiday in this time? No one's been on holiday at all.
Yeah. Whitby.
Sorry?
Whitby.
Whitby. Whitby, sir. Fantastic. What sort of things did you do in Whitby? What's your name, sir?
Barry.
Barry! Fantastic, Barry. And did you go by yourself, Barry, or was it someone else?
With someone else.
With someone else. Is that someone else with you here this evening?
Yes.
Yes. And do they have a name?
Yes.
Yeah, what is that? We're committed to this. Helen, fantastic. Great, so Barry and Helen. So you went to Whitby, and what kind of things did you go up to on your Whitby holiday? Any particular highlights that you can remember?
Everything was closed.
Everything was closed. Well, okay. Sorry?
We ate pie and mash.
Yeah, you have to eat pie and mash. Do you have any fish and chips in Whitby?
It was closed.
Okay, what's the problem? So, pie and mash, and so, did you, you just ate pie and mash, you just go there for an hour?
Snowing, there was an abbey, it was snowing.
It was snowing, there was an abbey. Oh, that's where Dracula's abbey is, isn't it? Did you get a few shivers up your spine?
Yeah, scary.
You got, it's pretty scary, wasn't it? Did anything sort of ghoulish happen?
It was closed.
It was closed. I put that down to the work of ghosts there. Oh yes, I've seen them there myself. So, we went to the Abbey, and did you say it was snowing as well?
Yeah.
Yes, it sounds really atmospheric. Imagine it. Okay, so you had pie and mash, and it was snowing at the Abbey. Anything else you might have got up to while you're there? Did you look out to sea?
Yes.
Yes, indeed. Fantastic. Pie and mash at the Abbey. Okay, and how did you finish your amazing trip to Whitby? What did you decide? What was the end? Oh, this is going to be the pinnacle of our weekend.
You paid the bill.
You paid the bill. Because I must say, I never pay for anything in Whitby. I just run straight from the shop. That's why I'm never allowed back into North Yorkshire again. Fantastic. Okay, well, our players here are going to recreate your trip to Whitby in a series of photos, which will explain precisely what went. So, Isaac and Phil here. You're Barry, no, actually you'll be Helen. And you'll be Barry. Okay. So Helen and Barry, take us through their trip to Whitby. Put your hands together, please. This is Photo Album.
Well, Helen, I've uploaded the holiday photos to Facebook.
Yes!
What's it going on? Yes, it was the most uneventful, boring
But we paid the bill!
which I think was the highlight of the entire
Exactly.
Look, I was so excited on the coach. You sold me on the Abbey, on fish and chips, but no, we didn't have any of that, did we?
I did make big promises.
You did. But I mean, look at my happy face on the coach. Click! Oh. I was so excited, I smacked you in the face. I'm very sorry about that.
There are places you can go, by the way. There are people who will help you. Yes, but I mean, it was such a wonderful trip apart from that. You know, apart from the time when you were violently ill.
Yeah.
Around Leeds.
Yeah, around. Oh, in fact, one of those photos has got caught in this one. Click!
I'm still picking pieces of your sick out of my hair. It's very bad.
It was 6 weeks ago, so it was not sick. And again, I'm sorry that I keep seeming to abuse you. I'm so sorry. But anyway, like, look, we were all fine, except for me hitting you in the face on the coach. I got off, all the shops was closed. I've got a picture of me. I've got a picture of my devastated, emotional face. Click!
The thing is, I was so upset because I wanted to go to the Abbey, I wanted to get fish and chips, and I've been telling you all about it on the bus drive, and then we got there, and you found out everything was closed. You were so happy.
I know, I have a problem with showing emotions. The opposite of what I've just said. And so, why were those random people taking pictures of me?
closed.
Well, there was nothing happening, so the most interesting thing in Whitby was us. I mean, look, there's a picture of it outside the fish and chip shop. Click! I was hungry! And you're still... Why are you so happy?
I don't know, it's just that they were there taking photos and it's like poverty tourism or war tourism. I'm so hungry! No, that's not me, that's you. I, on the other hand, had just washed some of the sick out of my hair and I wanted to show it off.
Why were the rest of the coach just following us?
We were literally the only thing happening that day in Whitby.
So we went to the Abbey. How can you close an Abbey? It's an Abbey! It's a big building! Click! And you tried knocking on the door, but no one was there.
Liars of Whitby.
I mean, the Abbey's behind you. I have no idea what you're doing.
Wait a second. I never knew that guy was behind us. Don't you think he looks a bit ghoulish?
Yeah, maybe he's the local ghoul. I did see that advertised. Oh, I've got a poster for the local ghoul mixed in our pictures. Wait!
He's so terrifying and foreboding, yet at the same time quite welcoming.
But on the right side, we did actually manage to find some pie and peas. I've no idea
That was
where.
scarce consolation.
It was. At least we got a nice picture of us having what I can only describe as a meal. Click! I mean, you ate mine!
Yes.
That's the one.
Was it uncanny?
Yes.
It was. Just beware, just for balance, just to say that other places are shut as well as Whitby. Fantastic. Okay, so that was our first game under the tree. I bet this time I'll get a few more people willing to come up and help Serena open a present, aren't I? Who would like to come and open the gifts and maybe get some more teasers? Yes. Yes. Paul, it's Paul! It's your birthday, yeah. Oh, look at that, he's straight in. It's like a generations game on. Oh, the sweets on the floor, it's carnage. Look at that, there's a whole, and what have we got as game?
Genre roller
coaster. Well done, Paul. Okay, genre roller coaster. Let me decide who's going to play this game. Genre roller coaster. Give me a game for Stan. Yes, come. Amy. Reese. Come to the stage. And Phil to step in as required. Okay, so for genre roller coaster. Actually, I need Serena. Can I have Serena here up here as well? Serena's going to need to help me because for genre roller coaster, for this game, what happens is I need a range of film and theatre and literary styles from you. And our players are going to start a scene, and then at various times I'll change the style of genre, and they'll have to instantly change to that style of theatre or film, or literary style if you do the reading. Oh yes. Okay? And then they'll have to just change into that style and keep that story going. Yes? You may have seen similar games in the past. So, Serena, would you mind writing these down for me? That would be fantastic. I'll just get you a clean page to write on. There we are. Just talk amongst yourselves, actually don't. So can I get, from over here, can I get a few, say, film and theatre styles? Tragedy? Yes. Sorry? Dr. Zeus? Man, I like Dr. Zeus.
Over the top Japanese.
Nordic thriller, so lots of... Get the jumpers, someone!
Gilbert and Sullivan.
Sorry?
Gilbert and Sullivan.
Gilbert and Sullivan operetta styling. Fantastic. Film noir.
Bollywood.
Sorry? Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Oh, I like how those goes. Oh, I wish I'd thought of that.
Musical.
Sorry? Music.
Western.
Sorry?
Western.
Soviet propaganda.
Did you get the Bollywood as well? If so, I think you've just won the night. I think that's probably, enough to get, one more. Science fiction.
Japanese shadow theatre.
Sorry, what about that?
Japanese shadow theatre.
Japanese shadow. Well, we can only manage the jump cuts, I'm not sure we can. That's a great suggestion. Sorry? One here. You said something over here. One more. Oh, it's coming to your brain. Quick. What's the last one we've got?
I want to see romance.
What now?
Yes.
Okay, we can have romance. Okay, there's romance as well. Fantastic. Okay, so let me. Sorry? Please be kind. I said, please be kind. Okay, so this is your roller coaster. And I'd like to get. Somewhere where an adventure might take place to start with. Sorry? On a bike. All the towers. All the towers. Sorry? What's one more?
The Amazon.
The Amazon. The Amazon. Yes, the Amazon. Okay. Could Amazon on the bike? We're going to go with the Amazon. Okay. So this scene will start in the Amazon. This is your roller coaster. Please put your hands together.
Boss? Yes? Can we have a sit down? It's only been 70 miles. Yeah. Surely your legs can carry you a bit further. Not much with all this stuff on my back. I mean, did we really need to pack a kitchen sink, a dishwasher, a generator, and a microwave? Those are important tools for survival. And besides, people don't actually know that Amazon is based in Amazon. This is why it takes such a long time to deliver to them. Now come on, we need to track this river to find a shortcut to the coast. Because then maybe we can deliver this to Christmas. Okay, but can you not just carry maybe the blender for a minute?
Period drama.
Well, I could do, Mr. Forsyth, but you see, it is below my social status to carry with me a blender. Well, Miss Beauregard, I must say that it's a very strange thing that you say to me. What is this blender you speak of? As far as I understand it, as my local blacksmith would tell me, that it's some sort of contraption designed for the blending of fruit beverages. You are so wise, Mr. Beauregard. I am so wise.
Soviet propaganda.
I am so wise. Like a communist brother in arms, we must defend the proletarians. Yes, comrades! We must stand against those capitalist pig dogs! This is a blender of the people! It will blend for you, it will blend for your family, it will blend for all the Soviets! And it is red! Like the blood in our veins, like the colour of our flag, like Stalin himself. Too long.
Musical.
I have to say, it seems so strange that we put a blender to the Amazon, because after all, they stop so many things. So many things. So many things. So many things. Xboxes. Lots of things. So many things. I've got a machete, I will chop through his hedgerow. Are we there yet? I don't know. What is that? I see a head. Could that be an Amazonian tribal person? Oh my son! I didn't see him with the machete! I told you not waved around!
I'm seeing. Well, I bet you we're going to the world. Who would have thought that Amazon was actually in Amazon? I'm still waiting for stuff. How about you? You order stuff hasn't turned up. It comes covered in leaves and tarantulas. Now I know why. Okay, so we're now going to be treated to our first song of the evening. Our players will depart for a few moments because it's the first song of the evening from the Mighty Spectacles. Oh yes. Oh yes, I know you've been looking at these guys. Playing ready. you guys and Ryan.
So we were just working out if we broke up just before the show. Johnny and I were just discussing if we were going to reunite, and so the band decided to carry on. So it's very exciting. We were just going to stand here in silence and wait for the group to come back on, but it's worked out better that we're actually going to go ahead and play a song.
Great stuff. Okay, well, you did say you wanted to say a bit of romance.
Yeah, well, Johnny and I go way back.
So here we go, Ronnie Spectacles.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now, just before I start, you need to know that we're like a real band, except we're not as good. And because we're not as good, we do comedy music instead of real music. So hopefully you'll enjoy it all the same. Now, the first song we're going to play is based on our true story. As all of our songs are. All our songs are based purely in fact. And our first song is actually about... well, actually, let me throw this out here. Give me a whoop if you're already thinking, oh God, I've eaten a lot of food. I'm going to join the gym in January. Give me a whoop. I pity you. I pity you. Anyway, this is a song all about getting ripped. It's based on this guy I knew in a place I used to work. And he came into work and I never saw him eat a morsel of food. Everything he took in was by liquid. Liquid form only. He was a gigantic man, hulked over his desk like Mr. Incredible in The Incredibles in the scene when he's in his cubicle. Just picture that, just hulking. So my lunch break yet goes off to the gym. And he returns at 1 o'clock, sweaty and shiny. Sitting there sipping. So I was so inspired, I thought I'd write a song about that man. And that song's called Guns, and it goes like this. Here we go. Feel free to clap along. It really helps get things going. I take 2 sips and I'm wide awake, but I don't even know what it is I'm drinking. Tuesday comes and I hit the weights, 4 sets of 10 and I'm feeling great. Then I rehydrate because my body's aching. Wednesday comes with a protein drink. It's brown and blue and green and pink. Get a shot in the butt cheeks and it's really stinging. Oh yeah. Thursday comes and I'm working hard with circus freaks and bodyguards. Check out my arms, they're huge, but my balls are shrinking. They're shrinking. Now it's Friday, can you feel me? Gotta cover up my acne, but I get out your guns on a Friday night. Rolling up in a shirt that's way too tight. Welcome to the gun show. Everybody let your gun show. We gonna have a gun show tonight. Put on your oil and shine them up, and put up your arms and raise your cup. We gonna have a gun show tonight. Every club is a beauty show. If you didn't know, man, now you know. So you gotta get ripped, and all the girls will want me. Get out your guns and pull the trigger. And every day they're getting bigger. But if you're actually tough, then please don't confront me. Well, now it's Friday, can you feel me? Gotta cover up my acne, don't forget that. Get out your guns on a Friday night. Rolling up in a shirt that's way too tight. Welcome to the gun show. Everybody let your guns blow. We gonna have a gun show tonight. Come on, baby, and shine them up. Put up your hands and lift your cup. We gonna have a gun show. Oh no, here we go. Girl, I see you looking at me from across the room. Would you stop staring at me? It's just awkward. Look, I'll come over and talk to you. Here we go. Hey, babe. I saw you noticing me. I want to help you out with the problem that you got. Let me help you make up your mind. Which one? Do you like her? Oh, you feel that music? The left one? Or the right one? Come on, girl, which one? You can kiss him if you want. Do you like her? I don't mind. The left one? What's that one? Oh, the right one? Oh, but you like them both. Yeah, you like them both. Yeah, you like them both. Oh, you like them both. No, you can't decide. Boy, she can't decide. Oh, she can't decide. No, she can't decide. You can have them all, baby, have them all. You can have them all. We don't know how to talk. I can't hold a conversation, but that's alright. Oh, here we go. Come on, fellas. You know what it is, 'cause it's Friday. Can you feel me? Everybody, holla at line is way too tight.